Right, that was not supposed to do that.
It's great stuff. It works wonders for everybody. And you get your fingers right in there.
So, I've been asked, this is a job that I've been doing for a while now. It's nearly finished. We're waiting for the plaster to come and finish. I'll show you here, look. I think that's been sitting outstanding for about 8 weeks now. So we finished all this work, that's all been done. And the gate's already installed now. I've only just come, and if you come and have a look, the gate isn't working properly. And the reason why the gate isn't working properly is because when we got the gate installed, the gate manufacturer made it this much too small, or too small. It was looking for, what do you call it? So I'll show you here. So if I've got the new automated system working, and if I close it, look, if you have a look over here, come on close up to it. What happens is it goes to here, it stops before it enters, and then it goes back. So I'll do it again here, just so you can see it. So it closes, stops because the motor can't do it, and then it did it at that time. So that's not what it was supposed to do. I've reported this video based on the fact that I wasn't being able to fix it, but I'll show you what I done to fix it then. It was holding there, if you look here again, it was sticking just about there. And it is still slightly sticking, but it's now got the energy to push it through. So this must be something I've done right. So what did I do right? I'll show you. It's a key box. The company's called Key, and it's a good wee system. I normally use Berenica, but this is called Key. You got a wee programming code here if you want to come on and see this. There's a wee programming code that I have, and it allows me to set with the settings. Key automation. It's pretty good. I do enjoy it. There's the locking mechanism in now. As you can see, that's locking mechanism fully in with this little bar. This can be adjusted up and down to how far this girl opens or closes. Was cut just a little bit short by the manufacturer. If you want to swing around here and I'll show you this. This gate should have been about that much bigger. So what we done was we opened up the track here below, down here. You come and see the track is slightly off on its step, and that was what was creating the gate to stop, because the wheel of the actual wheel, sliding wheel, was sitting on here and went to a step, and I had to grind it out. And then what I've got to do now really is put a bit of lube on it. If you put lube in a hole, it goes in better. So I was told this. So what I'll do, just bear with me. Here is the lube. This is it. This is the gear. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go in and we are going to get our fingers into the lube nice and deep. I was told that this is the answer. If you want to get a deep hole, you lubricate it, you need to get this stuff here. It's great stuff. It works wonders for everybody. And you get your fingers right in there. Sometimes you have to just use one finger, but sometimes you may have to use two. I'm not sure. This is what I was told. So get your finger up there and get it all lubed. And that itself will be the answer, I hope, for the job. Now there's a wee cog in here on this thing needs to be done. So this should do the job. And let's have a look to see if it works. Now you wouldn't believe this actually pulls 600 kilo.
Oh.
That little thing there, that little key thing over here, that's 600 kilo.
Oh.
It's a great job. We're really, really pleased with it. So here, let's see if the final test to see if it works. Come on. You can do it. And there it is. That's it sorted. So that's that job done as far as I'm concerned. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again.